everyone, this is Maria, and today I'm going to be doing a review and an unboxing on this 3D princess playset that I purchased at Target in the Bullseye section for only $3. It's an educational toy. It says fine motor skills, imaginative play, independent learning, creative expression. There is a warning sign here, choking hazard, small parts, not for children under 3 years of age. And so for $3, I thought this was really cute. Look at the back, you guys. You can see how colorful the art is. And so there's a stack of the cardboard sheets, and we're going to punch those out, and we're going to put this together. I do want to mention I saw 2 other sets. There may be more, but I only saw 2 others. I saw an outer space one that looked kind of cute, and the other one was a garden. And so it had like plants, flowers, and insects. But this one was my favorite, you guys. So let's go ahead and open this up. So I've got my scissors, and I'm just going to open up on the bottom. And let's go ahead and slide these out. Oh, here's some instructions right here, how to assemble it. And it says 2-piece construction, 7-piece construction, match label pieces together for proper assembly. Example A1, A1, B2, and B2. On here you can see it says like E1, and it says F2, A1. So I guess we just have to match them up. So let's go ahead and take a look at each one of these first. Here's the princess, there's a tree, and then we have the castle. And we have another princess, and it looks like a pony. I thought maybe it was a unicorn, but I think it's a pony. And then here's the other part of the tree. This looks like the other part of some of the skirts for the princesses. This looks like maybe a fairy, because I see those little fairy wings, maybe the fairy godmother. And then here's the coach right here. And then this also looks like maybe part of a skirt. So let's go ahead and put this together. And so I'm just gonna look at the illustration here. And so let's go ahead and pop out the first princess. And we can see her skirt is right over here. So I'm just gonna pop that out. These look so cute, and I like this size too. And they're really sturdy. And so yeah, I'm gonna be careful though, because you can see this little part here. When I pull this out, I don't want it to tear. So I'm going to be very careful. There we go. So then you just take the 2 pieces. You can see where you just slide it in together. Oh, look how cute. Oh, that is adorable. Okay, so let's do the other princess. That one came out easily. I'm going to be very careful here. I just don't want to tear any of the paper off of the dress. Okay, and then let's go ahead and get the other part of the skirt. Again, you can see how it comes apart here, and so you want to be very careful. And you can see it's stuck in there. I'm going to pull that out very gently. There we go. So you might have to help a child with this, just so it doesn't tear. And then we're just going to slide that in. Okay, I might need a little bit of muscle here. Okay, there we go. It's not quite all the way, so I want to try to get it a little further in. Yeah, definitely you're going to have to help your child with this, I think. And so there we go. There's the other princess. And then here's the tree. Love the tree. And it also has, you can see where it's going to come off here, the center part. So be very careful again. We don't want to tear that. Okay. There we go, it just came all the way up. Okay, so I have this one, and let's go ahead and take this one out. And then let's go ahead and slip this. You can see the slit is bigger here. Just gonna slide that in. Right there, in between Yeah, these are kind of tough, so you have to work with them. Okay, so I want to get this all the way down. See, I'm pushing pretty hard, you guys. And so I don't have it all the way down, so I'm going to keep working with that. There, we're almost there. We're almost there. Yay, we got it. We got it. But definitely, you guys, I do suggest that you work with a child with this, because that was kind of hard even for me. You have to put some real muscle into it. This is going to be for the carriage, so I'm going to pop this out and set it aside. And then we have the pony. So let's go ahead and take the pony out, punch that right out, and I'm also going to punch this out. So we're going to have two that are like this. And here they are. And so these are the pony's legs. And here's the other one. It's over with the castle. Just gonna pop this out. And so we're just going to slide these in. I want to make sure the hooves are showing right here. Oh, the hooves are painted on both sides, actually. This one's pretty easy. This is really cute. Really, really cute. And so we're just going to put that right there. Oh my gosh, it's already looking really adorable, isn't it? So now let's do the carriage. And so let's go ahead and punch that out. And then here are the wheels. They look like lemon wedges. And there's two more here. Those punch out really easily. Oh, except that one. There you go. So we're going to take one of these and slide this right in. Oh, it looks like this. Is this punch out too? Yes, it does. Okay. There you go. Now it looks more like a carriage, doesn't it? So now let's go ahead and put these in. And we're going to attach the wheels that look like lemon wedges to this. So I got that one in. And let's do the other one. And then we got our lemon wedge wheels. They look like lemon wedges to me. And we're going to put them right in here. And then we've got this one. Maybe even do that ahead of time. Like, let's take this one out and we'll go ahead and attach the wheels. And let's do this one. There we go. And then we'll put this on. That's a lot easier. So there's our carriage. And then we have our castle. So let's go ahead and punch that out. That was easy. I love the towers. They're purple and pink, so cute. Just trying to be very careful. I don't want to tear any of the paper. The kids can even use some of these for drawing templates afterwards. And then we have our two castle pieces, and we're going to slide this one into this one right here. That was easy, and it's so cute. Now the last thing we have is our fairy godmother. And so let's punch her out very carefully. Want to get those wings very carefully. And here I want to be very careful because you could see that's where that little slot is, and I don't want to. Here's the fairy and her skirt, and we're just going to put this together. There we go. Oops. I know what happens. Sometimes when I'm doing it from the front, I don't see this slot in the back. It has to be right in there. There we go. And it slides in so much easier that way. So here's the 3D Princess playset all put together, and here's my honest review. I think kids are really going to enjoy this. I think they can tie this in with their favorite fairy tales and even make up their own stories. It's also a really cute decoration to set in a room, like on a desk or on a bureau. I just really love this. So I'm going to give this 3D Princess playset 2 thumbs up. Thanks for watching, everyone. Talk to you soon. Bye.